Hello folks, I'm Roxie. Welcome back to Altitude, the climbing shop and base camp of the Anaconda Mountain Range. I've had quite a frustrating week. Evie told Gemma and Gregory about such a cool opportunity, the Rainbow Falls. Instead of staying focused and heading directly there, they just kept getting distracted and focused on other things, causing them to miss the phenomenon. I kept radioing in, trying to keep them on track, but it just didn't work. Evie explained to me how this is a good example of what happens when we take our focus off of Jesus. Our beatitude for this week is God blesses those whose hearts are pure, for they will see God. This means that when we keep our focus on Jesus and choose to do what's right, we can experience the great things that He has planned for us. Well, before we dive deeper into this, why don't we sing a song?
It's an open heaven you're releasing, and we will never be denied. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. We're gonna dance in the river. Dance in the river. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. They're gonna jump in the river. Jump in the river. Deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to. We cry out to, we cry out to you, Jesus. I've got a river of living water, a fountain that never will run dry. It's an open heaven you're releasing, and we will never be denied. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. We're gonna dance in the river. Dance in the river. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. They're gonna jump in the river. Jump in the everybody sing it out. Deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to. We cry out to, we cry out to you, Jesus. Deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to. We cry out to, we cry out to you, Jesus. We're falling into deeper waters, calling after you. We're walking into deeper waters, going after you. Everybody clap your hands. If he goes to the left, then we'll go to the left. And if he goes to the right, then we'll go to the right. We're gonna jump, 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 jump in the river. Jump, 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 jump. Everybody, if he goes to the left, then we'll go to the left. And if he goes to the right, then we'll go to the right. We're gonna dance, 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 dance in the river. Dance, 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 dance. Everybody, if he goes to the left, then we'll go to the left.
You know what? Why don't we have a special friend join me today? Come on in.
Hi!
Hi, can you tell the camera your name?
My name's Gemma.
Well, Gemma, I got a super exciting experiment for us today. Do you think you can do it?
Yeah!
Yeah? Okay, so what we're gonna do is okay, I think you can do this. You're pretty good at balancing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna walk across the beam towards me. The only thing is there's one catch. You have to look everywhere but at me. So you can look all over the place. You can look at the sky, to your left and to your right.
And keep your head moving.
Yeah, exactly. And keep your head moving. Do you think you can do it?
I'll try.
Okay, let's see.
Oh,
Oh no! You fell off. See, when you didn't keep your focus on me, you fell off right away, right? It was super difficult. That's kind of like when we don't keep our focus on Jesus. We can miss out on the fun things he has in store for us. Okay. Why don't we try this one more time? But this time you're going to keep your focus on me, okay? Let's do it. Oh wow, even some hops and skips. That was awesome. Gemma, you did so good. See, and it's because you kept your focus on me. So, earlier this week we've been talking a lot about how keeping our focus on Jesus is super important and it helps us stay close to him. Can you think of ways to focus on Jesus?
To keep our eye on the Holy Spirit, keep our eye on Jesus, and whenever there's like a problem and you just want to shout at your brother or sister, say, no, I don't want to do this, and just explore the day and have fun.
Good answer. Exactly. We can read our Bible and we can pray to Jesus to help keep our focus on him.
Yeah.
You know what, Gemma? I think I learned a lot today. This balance beam really helped me see that we need to keep our focus if we want to stay in the right path.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for all your help. I'll see you later. Bye. See ya. Wow. Gemma sure helped me out today. I know Cam and Gregory were upset because they lost focus and they didn't get to see the phenomenon. I know I get upset when I lose focus on Jesus and I miss the good things he has in store for me. This week, why don't we try to keep our focus more on Jesus? Thanks for watching, friends. I can't wait to see you again next week.